And we are here at Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster in Pigeon Forge, and Gentry is geared up with his shirt. So and that can only mean one thing, Gentry. What does that mean?
We're getting ready to ride a Smoky Mountain coaster.
Awesome. All right, so here we go. We are beginning the Alpine Mountain Coaster. Got a great view here on the GoPro.
Yeah, definitely.
Gentry, what are your thoughts?
I want to go slow.
And I want to go fast.
Please go slow.
So we are very excited. We just arrived here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, and we are at the Smoky Mountain Alpine Mountain Coaster, which, to my understanding, is the longest mountain coaster in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park area. So here we go.
Kind of want to Can you control? No, don't pull.
Just enjoy the ride. It's a beautiful, peaceful ride through the mountains. It would be so cool if we saw like a bear or some.
Don't, please, don't talk about that. That would scare me out.
Oh, I would love to see a bear right now. I think it would be incredible. Oh, there's a squirrel. Not a bear, but a squirrel. And it has rained all day, so they put one of these rain shields. I don't know if you can see that on the GoPro, but they have put one of these rain shields over top to keep us dry. So, just a little cool option that's available. Oh, another squirrel. Not a bear, but still some wildlife. There we go. I think it's so cool to see these lights that we're chasing down here on the pathway. And yet, another hill. It really cranks us up these hills pretty fast.
But go slow. Because I have...
All right, Gentry. Okay, hold on tight. Here we go. Circle of Doom. Oh, here's a big hill. Oh, this is fun. Slow it down just a little bit so we can catch up. We don't want to bump into these people in front of us. Look at the view. Nice. Alright. Don't want to bump into the back of them. Oh, look at the river way down there. At the very bottom. That's awesome. Alright. Here we go. Look, we're going out and over. Wow, this is awesome.
Okay. I survived that. Oh, I'm not surviving.
You're doing a great job.
I'm not surviving.
This is just like a roller coaster.
Oh, crap. Okay, I survived.
This really whips.
Last time I saw a video and they did a haunted.
Here we go. Last stretch.
Wait, you're gonna.
How about that?
Finally.
That was fun. That was awesome.
Ow.
Tell everybody how awesome that was.
I held it onto this.
You held on to, you held on the entire time, but did you have fun?
Please keep your handles down.
Yes?
Until the end of the ride. Please keep your handles down.
And Jennifer is done with the Alpine Coaster. And the camera does not do it justice for how high this mountain coaster is.